Howdy folks, Luke Simons with you, back to the Basics 101. Sitting down here at the North Dakota Capitol, and as most of you know that have watched the show very long, you know I'm a state representative for the state of North Dakota. Good people of my district have elected me, and I'm very honored. Today, I've got a review on this bad boy right here. A buddy of mine carries this. I asked him if he carries a pocket knife illegally in the Capitol building. Ooh. This is what he carries, folks. Check this out. Isn't that is cool. Oh, by the way, this is my coffee cup I drink out of at the Capitol. I just want people to know, and lobbyists to know, exactly where I'm at on life itself. Don't tread on me. So check this out, folks. Look at that. All of the quality that you would expect from a Swiss Army pocket knife. Very solid put together. I really like this. Now, I will say that the knives on it, you have your small pen knife, and then you also have, this knife isn't quite broken yet, your cutting blade, your major knife, which is pretty darn cool. And I would say it's about, I don't know, 3.5 inches, so nothing serious. So got folks trying to talk to me here. Now check this out. That is actually nicer. The screwdriver is actually nicer than on my Leatherman Surge. Much longer. And look at there. So similar, double piece. But this is the kicker part. Check this out. See this little black knob? Flip that up. And you have different bits in here. Isn't that awesome? Just flips right up. I like that. I really like that. This is pretty cool. Now, my Surge Leatherman, I think I still like it a lot better, actually. The only thing is you can't use this for a tool to beat on. Let's see here. What else do we have here? I'm just kind of figuring it out. Oh, look at here. We have a Pliers. I didn't even see that initially. Check that out. Look at that Pliers. About as long. My hands are large. So it's about almost to the knuckle. Pretty slick. Ooh, I like that. Got a little spring. And like I said, this is not to be compared to the Surge Leathermans whatsoever. Totally a different thing, but very nice. Very nice. That would get you out of a pinch in a heartbeat. I didn't even notice that in there first. Representative. Good guy. Conservative. We got a scissors. Check that out. Now, this is not, none of this is to be compared to my Surge Leathermans. But that is very nice. My word, for somebody that's a city dweller or somebody that's maybe in an office that just wants something handier than maybe a regular pocket knife, yeah, I love it. Look at here. Got a corkscrew. Man, this is sweet. This is quality here, folks. The only problem is you can't beat on this like you do a Leatherman's. Half the time I use my Leatherman's for a hammer. This was stainless steel. I would say this is the bomb. But for a city dweller, man, that is slick. Look at here. That is absolutely awesome. I'm just thinking of all the different kinds of things you could use that for. Wow. That is cool. What else does this thing have on it? Yeah, it's a center bar. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's nothing. Boy, that is just flat out awesome. And it's got to have a bottle cap on it here somewhere. There we are. We're missing tools. Check that out. Flat edge. Bottle cap opener. I'm guessing this is for something. The little crease there, but I don't know what. That is awesome. Let's see what else we got here. Can opener. Completely different than a bottle cap popper offer. And it's got a small edge on the end there, which would be very handy. Screwdriver, whatever you have there. One of the coolest features about this, though, is he had this hooked onto his keychain, which is pretty handy. But check this out. Oh, I've got representatives all over the place wanting to talk to me here. Typical Swiss Army tweezers. Check that out. That is just flat out awesome. The coolest feature I'm saving for the end. You have your toothpick, which is pretty awesome. Oops, there, let's put that back in here. This is a very neat tool. This is the best part. Need a pen? Right there. Check that out. Let's see how it works. Oh yeah, that's an awesome pen. That is sweet. Man, what an awesome knife. I would give this thing a 10-star rating right here. Awesome. Good job, Swiss Army. Good job. That is awesome. As I was playing with this more, I knew it had to have a hole punch. And there it is. So you can do your sewing. Probably the handiest tool that you could ever have. This would be a little inconvenient. You would still be able to make it work. Pretty slick. If you're out camping or on horseback, makes a big difference having a hole punch. All your sewing, etc. Overall, I am very impressed with this tool. Swiss Army, for being from the year, I am very impressed. Thanks for watching. May the Lord guide and keep you. And remember, government is never the solution. It's the problem. Happy trails.